Wait. Okay, go down now. Let's go down. Careful ah. Nasa MSC Eurabia kami. Isang cruise ship. Dito kami ngayon. Wow, this is Abu Dhabi.
Wow, is that Titanic? Looks like it's the real Titanic.
That's Titanic. Tectonic nga. Let's go inside. Show me the way. Pasok na kami guys. Kasama ko si Granny Boy. Granny Boy, lead the way. Go ahead, straight to the restaurant. Tapos lang namin mag...
Oh, why is it empty?
Because it's almost over for vegetarian. Uy, stand up! May rice, salad. Some bread. Ito na. Kaway naman dyan. Nabusog ba kayo? Sa treat ko?